So you're thinking about starting up your very own trucking company. You probably have some questions cruising around in your head, like, how do I get my DOT number? What's an EIN? And what are taxes like for me and my fleet? Don't worry, you aren't the first to have these questions, and we will cover these topics in our Trucking Startup series. Before you know it, we will have you on your way to delivering that first load to Grandma. First things first, we'll get you set up with an EIN, or Employer Identification Number. An EIN lets the IRS properly identify taxpayers that are required to file business tax returns. You will need to get this done right away so you aren't going up against the IRS when it's tax season. Remember, you aren't Microsoft. You won't win that fight. Now you need to identify what type of business you are. There are several choices here, including C Corps, S Corps, LLCs, or partnerships. But we typically recommend that trucking startups operate their business as an LLC. To put it simply, an LLC, or Limited Liability Corporation, combines pass-through taxation of a partnership with the limited liability of a corporation. With all that information, you stay above the board, fill out paperwork in a timely manner, and you'll be fine when it comes to tax season. Raise your hand if you hate doing taxes. Most of us do too. So we will stop right there and go over taxes in more detail in a future episode. If you have any questions on the topics covered in this video, don't be afraid to call us at 888-260-9448, and one of our talented trucking specialists will be able to help.